Today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. Lawn's looking good, perennials are all pruned up, everything's good to go. However, one of the things I have always been missing here in the landscape is having nice annuals planted, which brings me to today's special guest, who happens to be my girlfriend, Abby Ispis Hibiscus Instagram page, annuals and propagations and all that stuff. Anyway, baby's going to be helping me. She's going to be doing some annual plantings with me today. She's got some ideas in mind, and yeah, anything you want to add before we get into it, babe?
We're just going to plant around the front yard, make it look nice. We have some plants over there, some flowers, and a couple little leafy greens we're going to put in there, so I think it'll look nice.
Absolutely. Come along for the ride, everybody. It's going to enhance the landscape by tenfold. See, like these little guys right here? A little bit of white with yellow in the middle.
This is eucalyptus, I think, right?
Yeah. So what's cool is we do a pattern in the pot. This one, this one, this one, and that one. Or we do it this way. Put them on the sides. So we got options. Real quick, a couple of things I want to go ahead and clarify here. Number one, I am not an expert in planting annuals, but it is something I have been open to doing for quite a while here. As you guys know, on this channel, talk about lawn care spray business tips, as well as how to have a deep, dark, green, thick lawn. In the process of that, we also have products we sell to people who may not need a spray business, but they want to do it themselves. We have products that are kind of universally available to people. This is something I've always wanted to try myself here at my lawn. As you guys know, it's nice and green. We got perennials, but I just want to add a little color, extra pop this time of year. As far as sourcing goes, nothing too spectacular, just from our local nursery here, Elsop Home and Nursery in St. John, Indiana. I'm actually going to go ahead and stop talking now, and I'm going to go ahead and let my girlfriend Abby take over, as she's going to go ahead and show you guys a little bit of her thought process when it comes to planting annuals in pots, as well as around the front landscape here.
Okay, so there's 3 of these plants in here, and I can always separate those and put them right in this area. Sun Patience Compact Lilac, right in between these, right there. This Coleus Petunias. We got 4 of these, so we can always separate those. Yeah, these will grow really big. Maybe one in between each one. This one looks like it crossbred with that one a little bit. It's a totally different one. It doesn't even match. I want them to kind of sit right next to the other ones so they look like a pair. These will grow nicely. Now we need one more for right there. Whoa. Just smash them in there a little to get them out. And pop them in. We may need the shovel for this. Yep, there we go. Yep, perfect. Okay, now we can put it in there. You can put that one up there if you want. Yeah, and then I got a 3rd one for down here. Or over there, maybe. Hopefully these fill out nicely. If these get bulbs on them, we can take them out in the winter time and we can save them. There's some over here if you want some of those.
Just a red one, yeah. Little alternation.
Yeah. And then some over there, maybe?
Here's a red.
Okay. This looks nice. Oop. Little creepy crawly. Yep.
That looks kind of cool.
Yes, it does. And 3 little palm trees.
And then we just got one more in the middle. There's our high, now we need our middle.
2 reds.
I think we could do all 4 creepers.
Okay, yeah, then we took out this.
So we can easily do like one here. Actually, yeah, I think this might be good. So we'll stick the 2 green ones in the inside there. Stick it right here. If we need more to backfill, we got plenty right there.
Some eucalyptus. Perfect.
Yep. So we got our high, our medium, our low, and they'll fill in over time.
No. I would say on a hot sunny day, these need to be watered every day. Some of the more tropical ones like humidity, so hopefully this Indiana heat keeps these little trees going. Grow, babies, grow.